Hey guys, welcome back. It's Dawn, Vegas Maniac Designs, and today I'm doing something super simple, nothing crazy. I'm going to do a 12 by 12 inch and a half deep canvas, and I'm using my color to go from Sherwin Williams in the Tricorn Black, and I'm doing a micro dot wrecked puddle pour using my bloom colors. We don't want a lot of base down, just enough for the puddles to slide when it's time to slide them. Looks like pretty good coverage. Just get to my edge. I'm not going to worry about the sides until right before I tilt. That'll tell me how much paint that I have and if I need to use extra paint to get those sides. So these are all custom mixes with Amsterdam pearl paints and interference pigments. And this one is the pearl yellow and interference yellow. And we're just doing little random dots. And then I have my handy dandy skewer. There's one pass. And I think I like that just the way it is. So no third or fourth pass. It's looking really good. Maybe a little there. Split that one. I like to have everything fairly equally wrecked. That should do it. Okay, so I'm going to put some gloves on and just get a feel for how much actual paint that I have before I start finishing up my sides. I have a lot of paint. I think I'm just gonna rub a little of the excess just to help it all slide. I don't need to add more. If you use too much base with these, you will get a lot of flocculation or separation in your colors. And that's not really pretty. I don't have any extra paint there. All right, and wipe my hands and we're just gonna spin. We can't let this sit long because it is house paint. Just an easy spin to start to see where the colors are going. They look pretty even. And as soon as they start to gently flow over the sides, that's when we have to really consider stopping. There we go. I think we have we have good coverage. This corner just kind of doesn't want to behave. Not getting a lot of flow over it. I may just tilt. Going to center. Look for any bloops and boogers in the paint. I think that's a good place to stop. We're getting a teeny little bit of warping, but not too much. And I still have lots of black negative space. So I will bring you in for a quick close-up and then bring you back when it's dry. It should take a couple of days. Okay. So we're gonna scoot right in close, and that overhead light is just in the wrong spot. You can already see beautiful colors. And these shadowed edges are normal. If I didn't spin or tilt at all, you wouldn't get them, but you pretty much have to spin some of the paint off to stretch the design out. Sorry, I'm trying to be really careful here to keep that light out of the way. All right, looking really good. Sides have some nice flow over. So, I'll be back when it's dry. Okay, so it's mostly dry. These white dots that you're seeing, these are where I touched up where some of the base popped through the air bubbles, and they're not fully dry and solid yet, but when it is, they'll blend right in with the rest of their color. But it's super shiny. I don't know if I can get this to show, but it's very vibrant and very shiny, and I'm really happy with how it came out. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.